What are Bulgarian split squats? Why should you do Bulgarian split squats? And how do you do them properly? Welcome to the Gymnazo channel. If you want the answers to these questions and want to know more about improving your body, health and fitness, then smash the subscribe button, ding the notification bell and find out more. Let's get into it. The Bulgarian split squat is named after the country of Bulgaria. It is believed to have been developed as a training method by Bulgarian powerlifters and coaches. The exercise gained recognition and popularity in the world of strength and conditioning and is now commonly used by athletes, fitness enthusiasts and trainers across the world. While the specific individual who first introduced the Bulgarian split squat is unknown, its effectiveness is not in doubt. Bulgarian split squats, also known as rear foot elevated split squats, are a challenging lower body exercise that primarily targets the quads, glutes and hamstrings. Here's how to perform Bulgarian split squats properly. The starting position should see you with your feet hip width apart, facing away from a bench, step or elevated platform. Position one foot back with the top of your foot resting on the bench, laces down and the other foot positioned slightly forward. Engage your core and maintain an upright position. Lower your body by bending your front knee and lowering your back knee towards the ground. Descend until your front thigh is parallel to the ground or slightly below, ensuring that your front knee does not extend past your toes. Keep your weight distributed evenly between your front heel and mid-foot. Pause briefly at the bottom of the movement. Push up through your front heel to extend your front leg and return to starting position. Start using just your body weight until you're comfortable with the movement, and then you can start adding weight. Maybe having a barbell on the shoulders or holding some weight either side, dumbbells or plates. Aim for 8 to 12 reps per leg and perform 2 to 4 sets. And always have a brief rest between sets of around a minute. Always remember, maintain balance by using core stability and engaging your glutes. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. And initially use a mirror or have a trainer or training partner alongside you just to make sure you're doing the form perfectly, because it's difficult to see what's going on behind you when you're focusing on an exercise like a split squat. Bulgarian split squats offer several benefits, including building lower body strength, improving balance and targeting individual leg strength. It is important to start with appropriate weights and progress gradually to avoid strain or injury. Let's break down the in-depth muscle activation of the exercise. So first, the quads. The quadriceps are the primary muscles targeted during the Bulgarian split squat. They include the rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis and vastus intermedius. These muscles are responsible for extending the knee joint. They work hard to stabilize and control the movement as you lower and raise your body during the exercise. The glutes are also a primary muscle used in this exercise. The gluteus maximus, gluteus medius and gluteus minimus are the primary muscles of the butt and they are engaged during the Bulgarian split squat. These muscles work to extend the hip joint and maintain stability during the movement. The glutes play a crucial role in maintaining balance and providing power as you rise back up from the lowered position. Secondary muscles used are the hamstrings. They assist the glutes in extending the hip joint, particularly when you're in the lower position. The hamstrings also contribute to knee stability during the exercise. Your adductors are also involved, and these are stabilizing muscles during the split squat. The adductor longus, adductor magnus and adductor brevis play a stabilizing role during the Bulgarian split squat. They are located on the inside of the thigh and help to keep the knee aligned and prevent it from collapsing inward during the movement. Next stabilizing muscles are the calves. The gastrocnemius and soleus muscles of the calves are involved to provide stability and support during the Bulgarian split squat. They help maintain balance and control the movement of the ankle joint. And finally, your core muscles are also stabilizing muscles in this movement. Various core muscles are activated to maintain proper posture and stability throughout the exercise. The core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, obliques and erector spinae, help stabilize the spine and pelvis, preventing excessive movement and promoting proper alignment. Another reason I love this exercise is because it allows for a good range of motion, which is something that people sometimes struggle with when they're doing regular squats, for example. You can add weighted resistance to the Bulgarian Split Squat by either holding dumbbells in each hand or holding a barbell on top of your shoulders. You can also perform the exercise using the Smith machine, which would help with stabilizing your body and allow you to focus solely on the legs through the movement. And that's everything. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Give this exercise a go to try and improve your form on your lifts and see how it helps your lower body and your core improve. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. As always, it's greatly appreciated. Please subscribe to stay up to date as I try to upload a couple videos every week. Good luck with your training, and I'll see you next time.